will definitely be seeking some judicial review in the Supreme Court.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Truly appreciate it. As I said, it does not go unnoticed. Big up yourself and hit the subscribe button as usual, people. So today, people, we're going to talk about Rohan Chung, who filed for a magisterial recount, people. Yes, this man had 67 votes in the recent concluded Jamaica election that happened September 3rd. And he filed for a magisterial recount because there was actually a recount where he had 67 votes, and after the recount, he ended up with 49 after the ballots were recounted. So, a magisterial recount of the Central Manchester constituency got underway Friday. So, they've been counting for 3 days, people. It got underway Friday. So it's an independent candidate, Rohan Chung, who contested the Central Manchester seat, has filed for the recount. He was the one, Rohan Chung, that filed for this recount, citing that several votes cast for him in the September 3rd election were unfairly rejected during the recount process. So he said at the end of the preliminary count, Chung had 67 votes. However, as I said before, he ended up with 49 after the ballots were counted. The final count of the votes in Central Manchester saw the JLP Rhonda Moy Crawford receiving 8,192 votes to defeat the PNP's Peter Bunting, who wasn't out and stunting, who polled 6,939 votes. Crawford defeated Chung by 8,140 votes. In his affidavit seeking a magisterial recount, Chung alleged that when he arrived at the Manchester High School for the recount on Saturday, September 5th, he was jarred and a lady was requesting security to have me removed. So, him say when him reach at the school, people don't never take him serious. Them call for security and them want him kick out of the school. According to the affidavit, Chung further claimed that I could see the ballot properly and I was objecting to a ballot that was marked twice. After which I was told that they do not have all day and started to count the ballot fast and ignore my objection by kissing them teeth. So, if you go there with 49 votes or 67 votes, people, well, after the recount, you ended up with 49 votes, people. Like, who are going to take it serious? Look how much the lady that won. Look how many votes she have. And you are ball for recount. Come on now. Jamaica is not a real place. Let's be real, people. I waste people time. Waste people time, I'm not gonna lie. I'm asking magisterial recount, but that's wasting people's time. Wasting time. Today, the magisterial recount ended and Rhonda Crawford lost 53 votes but retained the win with 8,139, as I said before. And the People's National Party, Peter Bunting, gained 50 votes, finishing with 6,989. And Chung, last one, ended with 48. So here are now, people. At the end of the 3-day magisterial recount, the court has ordered independent candidate for Manchester Central, Rohan Chung, to pay 2.3 million.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
In legal fees for failing in his bid to take control of the constituency. So because him never win, the law them write up a check for him pay 2.3 million in legal fees. Them say at the end of the 3-day recount today, Crawford's attorney presented Chung with a bill for 2.5 million. So them basically I say, yo, you make we waste with time. We could have do more productive work, but here we are have to deal with this. So you need to pay. Which, I don't know if him, people, let me know in the comment section. You don't think him can fit that bill? Why do you think? Rohan Chung, him have money, him can fit that 2.5 million. He must know say some legal fees did I go forward with this magisterial recount if him no win. So he must have some millions put on aside, figure pay. Cause this never make no sense, people. None whatsoever at all. It was a big waste of time for everybody, cause when someone win by that wide of a margin, a waste of time yeah do for the recount. It's like that's basically saying them hide about 100 ballot boxes with your name, your votes them in it. Like how did you expect for win, or how did you expect for gain another almost 8,000 votes to win the constituency if you lost by that much? Crack is a hell of a thing. Jamaica is not a real place, people, because I think the normal person would just cut him losses and wait for another 4 or 5 years and then try again. You're not going to ask for magisterial recount. After the recount, ask for magisterial recount and you still lost by that much? And to think about it too, him have some loyal friends, people. Because a lot of people wasn't expecting him to get that much vote. But his family and friends did come out and fling in some vote for him, make it, and make it not look so bad. Because you don't know him probably that does have a one vote for him though. But as I said, he has true friends. But then again, I don't know if they are true friends. Because if me have a brethren where I do politics and me realize him not no chance of winning, I'm not being negative or being discouraging, but me I go tell him the honest truth, brother. This isn't it. This is not it. Me not gonna make you go up there go embarrass yourself. Me as a brethren, me I go tell her the straight up facts of what it actually is. You're not gonna win. And I think we need more honest and straightforward friends who not go bed no corner, grow no corner in telling you the truth. The truth is the truth and you can't go around that. If you're not win, you're not win. There's no going around that. So Mr. Chung, I don't know what you did that do. But, good try. Try again next year. Get the things in order. And run, I say next year. In another 4 or 5 years, get the things in order. And try again. Maybe the outcome will be different. Who knows? You see me? Just try again, brother. Up.